Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this slope field analysis look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by following 3 simple steps to find the correct answer. First, look at the slope field. Notice the gap at x equals 2 where slopes are undefined. This means our denominator must be 0 and x is exactly 2. Boom! Next, observe the slopes. They are positive on both sides of the asymptote. This implies the derivative must be a squared term or an even power to stay positive. Nice! Option B has a cube which changes sign. Option A depends on y, but our slopes are constant for fixed x. Option D matches our requirements perfectly. You got this! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't miss the asymptote or skip y values. Always check the sign and verify the power.